and welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are making Chinese salt and pepper chicken wings. For our ingredients, we have chicken wings, which are the wingettes and drumettes, separated. We have oil for frying. For our marinade, we have sea salt, white pepper, crushed black pepper, all-purpose soy sauce, rice vinegar, chicken stock, garlic, and ginger. And then for our dredging mix, we have cornstarch and white pepper. Now here we are going to marinate our chicken. So here we're going to add our salt to our chicken, chicken bouillon, white pepper, black pepper, our garlic, our rice vinegar, and then our ginger. We just going to mix all this up together. You're going to mix the chicken wings in the mix well, and we're going to cover with some plastic wrap. We're going to marinate this overnight. Otherwise, if you do not have the time to marinate it overnight, you could at least give it 30 minutes for the flavors to gel together. You don't need to pat the chicken wings dry. The wetness will make the cornstarch stick better. For our stir-fry topping, we have olive oil. We have garlic cloves finely sliced, 1 green chili dice, 1 red chili dice, spring onions. You want the green and the white part sliced, white pepper, and a pinch of sea salt. You want to mix the white pepper into the cornstarch for your chicken. You want to coat each chicken piece with this mixture. You want to press firmly on both sides to make sure that you do not leave any bald spots. Shake off the excess and set aside. Now we're going to heat up our oil for our chicken, and we want it to reach at least 350 degrees. Make sure that your oil is not very hot. On medium heat, you want to drop in your chicken wings in batches. Make sure you fry on each side anywhere from 5 to 6 minutes. When done, you want to remove and drain on a wire rack and immediately sprinkle some sea salt and fresh black pepper on it. Do not put them on a paper towel as it will make them soggy. Once your chicken wings are done frying, we are going to toss our chicken wings . Now, we're going to move on to making our stir-fry topping. Your olive oil in a pan on medium heat. We're going to toast our garlic until it is lightly golden. And next I'm going to add in my green and my red peppers, and I'm just going to mix that together. And our spring onions. And we're going to stir fry for 1 minute. You want to mix in your white pepper and a pinch of sea salt and turn off heat. So my chicken wings are done, and I'm just going to add it to my green mixture, and I'm just going to toss my chicken wings around in it, and I'm going to plate it. We have made Chinese salt and pepper chicken wings. They were good. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.